Welcome back. Dan the Cleaning Man here. And today we're diving into one of the simplest and most profitable business ideas out there. Starting your very own pressure washing business. Now I know what you're thinking. Can I really make good money just blasting dirt off driveways and sidewalks? The answer? Absolutely. Pressure washing is one of the fastest growing small business ideas, and the best part? You don't need a degree, a massive upfront investment, or years of experience to get started. You just need some guidance, and that's exactly what you're about to get. First things first, why pressure washing? Think about it. Homes, businesses, and public spaces get dirty all the time. And while everyone loves the look of a sparkling clean surface, very few people enjoy or even have the time for deep cleaning. That's where you come in. Pressure washing solves a universal problem, and the demand for these services is constant. Plus, this business has low overhead costs, high profit margins, and flexible hours. You can start small, work around your schedule, and grow at your own pace. All right, let's break it down step by step so you can hit the ground running. Step 1. Get the right equipment. The heart of your business is, of course, the pressure washer itself. But which one should you get? There are two main types, electric and gas-powered. Electric pressure washers are lightweight and affordable, perfect for beginners working on smaller jobs like patios or vehicles. Gas-powered pressure washers, on the other hand, pack more power and are ideal for larger, tougher projects like driveways, fences, and commercial properties. If you're serious about this as a business, I recommend investing in a gas-powered washer with at least 3,000 psi, pounds per square inch, and 2.5 GPM, gallons per minute. This will ensure you can tackle most jobs without breaking a sweat. Beyond the washer, you'll also need a surface cleaner attachment for flat areas like driveways, long hoses at least 50 feet for flexibility, protective gear, think goggles, gloves, and boots to keep yourself safe. And don't forget cleaning solutions. Some jobs will require detergents to remove tough stains like grease or algae. You can find all of this equipment at hardware stores or online marketplaces. Pro tip, start with secondhand equipment to save money while you're learning the ropes. Step 2, master your skills. Let's be real. No one's going to pay you top dollar if you leave streaks or damage their property. So before you take on paying clients, practice. Start on your own driveway or patio. Experiment with different nozzles, pressure levels, and techniques. Learn how to tackle common challenges like removing mold, oil stains, or graffiti. And most importantly, understand how to avoid damage. Too much pressure on the wrong surface can crack concrete, peel paint, or even etch wood. There are also plenty of free tutorials on YouTube, just like this one, that can teach you the basics. The more confident you are, the more professional you'll look to potential clients. Step 3, set your pricing. Now, let's talk numbers. Pricing your services can feel tricky at first, but here's a simple formula to get you started. Research what competitors in your area are charging. A quick Google search for pressure washing services near me will give you a rough idea. Calculate your costs, including gas, cleaning supplies, and maintenance. Finally, add a profit margin that makes it worth your time. Most pressure washing businesses charge between $100 and $300 per job, depending on the size and complexity. For example, a small driveway might cost $100. A larger driveway and sidewalk combo, around $250. Commercial jobs like storefronts or parking lots can go as high as $1,000 or more. Don't be afraid to start small and raise your prices as you gain experience and build your reputation. Step 4, market like a pro. You've got the equipment, you've got the skills, now you need customers. Here's how to find them. Leverage social media. Create accounts on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Post before and after photos of your work and encourage happy clients to leave reviews. This visual proof is incredibly powerful. Flyers and door hangers. Print some inexpensive flyers and distribute them in neighborhoods with homes that could use a good cleaning. Be sure to include your contact info, services offered, and a special discount for first-time customers. Join online marketplaces. Platforms like Craigslist, Nextdoor, and Thumbtack are great for connecting with local customers. Partner with other businesses. Real estate agents, property managers, and landscapers often need pressure washing services. Build relationships with these professionals, and they could refer clients to you. Consistency is key. The more people see your name and work, the more likely they are to reach out. Step 5, scale your business. Once you've got a steady flow of customers, it's time to think bigger. Hire additional team members to take on more jobs. Invest in advanced equipment to handle commercial projects. Expand your services to include things like soft washing, deck restoration, or roof cleaning. The pressure washing industry is incredibly versatile, so don't be afraid to experiment and find your niche. Final thoughts. Starting your own pressure washing business might seem intimidating, but remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. With the right mindset, a little bit of hustle, and the steps we've covered today, you'll be well on your way to building a profitable and rewarding business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little inspiration. And as always, drop your questions or success stories in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Dan the Cleaning Man signing off.